Backhand shot. Save Varlamov! Stick handles right down the slot. Looks in, holds, shoots. Scores! Matt Duchene and the Avs have won the shootout. Speed to the forehand, kicks it down the far side. This is the net, and the Avs win!
Landeskog comes in with a forehand, he scores!
Does it down the right side, now looks down the slot, holds, shoots, and a save by Varlamov! Got speed into the Buffalo zone, cuts it down the slot, has it on the forehand, looks, shoots and scores! Rangel Vortic to meet him, and his hold back in, pokes at Varlamov, and the Avs have won in a shootout!